I'm going to show you how to pay someone with Binance or using Binance. The first thing you'll need to do is open up the app, and then in the exchange tab you want to look for the pay button. If you see a pay button here, you can click on it, but if you don't see it, you can click on the search bar here and just search for pay like this and press enter to search. Now you want to look for functions and click on the pay button, which is this one here, and it should open up the payment page. Now every user using Binance should get an ID like this, which is the one written here, which they can copy and exchange between each other to receive payments and pay each other, now with zero fees. And to pay someone else using their ID, you can basically copy the ID they sent you and click on send Binance to user. Now all you need to do is paste their ID here, go to the ID tab and paste it here, or you can use their email address or phone number and then basically continue after pasting. You can just paste the ID here and press continue. And then you will be prompted to select the price or the amount that you want to pay. So for example, $10 from USDT. And you can change that as well by clicking on the drop down next to USDT and then choose whatever crypto that you want to use. And then all you need to do is press continue and confirm to send the payment. Now the second way to pay someone is send on chain by clicking on the send on chain option and then select the crypto that you want to use, for example USDT here, and then you will need to paste their address and choose the network and the amount that you want to pay. You can also use the QR code scanner to basically scan their QR code for address. There is also an option to scan the QR code for the user directly. So you might be prompted to pay with Binance and you have only a QR code. You can just go to the Pay tab and click on the QR code logo on the top right here, which is this one. And this should open up the QR code scanner, and then you can scan the Binance Pay QR code, and this should automatically set up the payment for you. And then you will only need to confirm and the payment will go through. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.